Let's talk about Pagefly. So this is actually a review about a website builder that can help you customize your dropshipping business. And what I want to do here is I want to go granular and really explain to you step by step how Pagefly can help you out. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Pagefly, I want you to think about a simple drag and drop Shopify page builder. That's it. And the cool thing is that if you use Pagefly, you are able to create your own unique Shopify pages. So Page Builder app may be used to design landing pages, password pages, product pages, blog post pages, collection pages, and more. And so this tool, I'm speaking here about Pagefly, allows you to create custom pages for your business without needing the code. And the cool thing here is that what we love about Pagefly is that it can really elevate your dropshipping business to another level, really, seriously. And the cool thing is that you are able to use Pagefly to publish your pages immediately to your dropshipping store or to export them as HTML documents and manually submit them. So this is kind of cool. So for all intents and purposes, we think Pagefly is an excellent solution for a dropshipping business looking to actually develop customized pages for their Shopify stores. So what are the pros and cons here? Let's quickly talk about that. So the pros, Pagefly is very easy to use. No coding or design skills are needed. This is a great choice for newbies. It includes a vast range of features. It contains features ranging from easy page creation to extensive page creation and custom posts. And this is one of the most affordable alternatives on the market. What about the cons? Now, it can be slower in some circumstances because it actually contains large websites with a lot of content, and it is not as sophisticated as some other solutions such as Wix or Weebly. And customers occasionally report account issues. So overall, what I want to say here is that Pagefly Shopify is one of the best website builders. It's very great for drag and drop building, website building. It provides users with layout elements and designs and customization options for every kind of web pages, like used to if you really want to develop your dropshipping business to another level, you could do it, okay? And we love the fact that this app shows a lot of customer support by offering users a full guide to building their dropshipping store through video tutorials, blog articles, webinars, and customer support team 24/7. Fantastic. Let me talk to you about the features here. So when you think about Pagefly, what are the features I want you to pay attention to? So we want to quickly explore the key features of this tool. So we have design and customization of several pages, not one pages, but several pages. And the cool thing is that you can actually start everything from scratch, or you can use their design templates, not a problem. And Pagefly gives you the design and customization of several types of pages. So for example, the home page, so you can create eye-catching home pages that are suited, responsive, and suitable for multiple devices. Really good. So when we talk about today's topic, the Pagefly review, is it good for your dropshipping business? You want to think about product pages in addition to a home page, so you can use a fancy way to present high quality photos of your products. Think about collection pages. You can actually add a great appearance to an existing collection page. You can have the about page that helps you introduce yourself to the world with a professional manner that looks trustworthy to your customers. You can also work on the contact page. Here, what we love about Pagefly is that when it comes to content page, it really adds another value here. It includes a contact form and Google Maps so customers can locate you and reach you faster. You also have a blog post pages, so you can display your blog articles in a creative way that reflects the attitude of your dropshipping business. You can actually check out how they design blog pages, you can go to on the internet and you can actually see how Pagefly sort of helps out. You also have password pages, so you can create a visually appealing page that provides password protection to your dropshipping business. So bottom line here is that you want to actually avail yourself of all the possibilities that are there. And one thing I want to say here is that when you actually think about Pagefly, you have to think about your dropshipping business, because everything revolves around your branding. And so when customers come to your store, when it comes to your dropshipping store, your Shopify store, they must see everything. Like, there has to be color consistency, there must be branding consistency, and everything should match, okay, depending on your specific branding. So again, pay attention to that. And what I want to do here is that I want to say that in the end, you want to customize whatever Pagefly gives to you. You want to customize it based on your specific industry and your specific business. I want to talk about the layout elements. So the thing is, when we analyze Pagefly, especially the Pagefly review, and we are trying to see whether this is the best dropshipping website builder, we want to pay attention to the layout element because layouts play an important role when it comes to a customer or visitor retention. So when visitors actually land on a website, they pay attention to a lot of things. And so the thing is, Pagefly offers a constellation of layout elements and sections, which are the ones that make each page look stunning and have easy navigation. And some of the elements they provide are sections, standard elements, third-party applications, and Shopify elements. And this is kind of cool. And the cool thing also is that you can actually, if you want to learn more, you can go to Pagefly website and you can listen to their webinars around layout elements. Let's quickly talk about the specific sections here. So the specific parts. So let's first talk about the sections. So this is where you will find all of your stored sections. So aside from that, you may incorporate other sorts of page parts to present your content. You can think about standard elements. So you may use this to add layouts and windows, as well as insert headings, paragraphs, social media icons, QR codes, or other elements like Google Maps, timers, MailChimp forms, and so on and so forth. You can also actually present on the page third-party applications. So all third-party applications such as subscriptions, reviews, badges, upselling, order trackers, and so on are really, really good also. And you also have Shopify elements. So Pagefly provides all necessary Shopify store data elements such as collections, product elements, blog articles, developing custom forms, and so on and so forth. So what I'm trying to say here is that if you were to go with Pagefly, you definitely have an all-in-one solution. And what we love about Pagefly here is the level of granularity, how detailed the features are, how detailed the service level is, how detailed the support level is. The bottom line here is that Pagefly wants you to have access to the best data, to the best features, the best capabilities in the industry to be able to succeed in your dropshipping business. I want to talk about ease of use here, okay? And so is Pagefly easy to use? So let's talk about UX and UI, user interface here. So Pagefly, I would say that Pagefly's UX is fantastic. Pagefly offers a versatile page editor that allows you to design and customize pages with the drag and drop interface. So when we're talking about Pagefly, is it the best dropshipping website builder? Chances are it may be. You may set autosave for a simple change, undo, redo page designs, and save templates or sections for a later use. And Pagefly also has a version history tab, which aids in retrieving your original page. And all of the pages you create will be fully responsive on desktop, mobile, and tablet devices, providing your consumers with a seamless purchasing experience. So this is kind of important to really think about it. And it's really important because we need to customize, we need to actually contextualize rather we need to contextualize today's conversation. Why? We're speaking about where I'm giving you a Pagefly review, and I'm asking the question: is it the best dropshipping website builder ever? And when you analyze so far, our analysis is that it is part of one of the best. Maybe not the best, or maybe the best. Who knows? But one of the best, because when you think about ease of use, it's really fantastic. What about analytics and tracking? Well, Pagefly collects all important data to analyze the performance of your dropshipping store and all of its pages by using cookies. So with this information, you can see how your customized pages are helping your Shopify store's sales and profitability. And we love the fact that Pagefly will give you a constellation of analytics. It really depends. I mean, if you have depending on the niche that you're in, Pagefly will give you important analytics that you can actually customize based on what kind of metrics you want to track. So, but at a minimum, you might want to track things like revenue. So this is the entire amount of money earned by the page. Visitors. So this shows the number of unique visitors. So that's users to your page. You have add to cart, so the percentage of users that added items, the percentage of users who added items to from the page to their shopping cart. You have product views, so the percentage of users that proceeded from the product page to the product details page. You have the conversion rate, and you have the time on page. I want to talk about customer support. So it's really important to understand that Pagefly provides customer support in various ways. And so the thing is that they actually have video tutorials. They have actually their academy. They have blogs, they have webinars, they have help centers, they have case studies, and they have 24/7 customer support. So that's really good. It's really good. The bottom line is, if you need help, you can always find a Pagefly support member or somebody from the community. That's definitely fine. The bottom line here is that if you want to use Pagefly for your dropshipping website, make sure that you adapt the website for any marketing campaign. So Pagefly will help your dropshipping business to boost SEO results and to manage any type of marketing campaign with the various options they provide. Like, you can use the built-in Pagefly Shopify app to manage SEO. You can create FOMO to boost and accelerate conversions. So FOMO stands for fear of missing out. So this is where you create urgency in a specific manner. You want to get testimonials and aspects that can help you develop trust. And the cool thing is that users that visited your Pagefly's page can see your social media presence. And you have integration with popular Shopify applications in a variety of areas, such as reviews and ratings, subscription, email marketing, push alerts, upsell and cross-sell, order tracking. And you can change your store layout quickly using a drag and drop editor with components like slideshows, tabs, accordion, and hero banner. You can actually increase conversion rates with a sale countdown timer, custom forms, a low in stock badge, an add to cart button, and a price comparison. And you can actually remove the need to purchase additional programs by using built-in widgets, like you have page analytics and color swatches. The bottom line here is that all of these things I'm telling you really will depend on your niche, right? Because it's all about adapting the website for any marketing campaign that you have. And at the end of the day, depending on the niche you're in, there are certain programs that might sound right for one niche that might actually be that might sound terrible for another niche. So you want to make sure that you know your niche better than anybody else. You can figure out whether or not a specific Pagefly feature is great for your dropshipping business or not. Let's quickly talk about the process here. So how does Pagefly really work? So the whole thing here is that the Pagefly Shopify app makes it very simple to create pages. And so this is kind of cool. So what happens here is that it's very straightforward, nothing complicated. So what you want to do here is that you want to go to a Pagefly website or on the mobile app. So you want to click the create a page button. So you want to select the page details. It can be a page layout, page optimization from the open tab. Okay, so here we're speaking about page settings. Then you want to enter the page title and URL and then click next. So what will happen here is that a template tab will appear on the screen. This is where you have to choose. You have to choose the ideal template for your store by selecting the industry and page tab from the two drop-down filters at the top. And then you'll be redirected to the Pagefly page builder. And so you can add elements to whatever elements you want. You may do anything from modifying the layout to adding media. This is kind of fun. And media, we're talking about content. It can be audio, it can be video, whatever. Okay. Simply click and drag the desired element onto the page area. And then you want to add the Shopify elements. So the button is actually located underneath the add element button. So with the assistance of this tab, you can enter every product detail. And you can also use the add third-party elements option, so that helps you actually incorporate parts from other Shopify applications, such as order tracking, upload files, subscriptions, reviews and ratings, and many more. And the add sections tab contains actually several prepared sections that you may add and alter as needed for your product page. And there are 3 elements in the lower left corner. So you have version history, so you'll basically see like when a new edit is made. This is kind of cool, so you have a clear idea. Remember that this version history backs up every version of the page. You are able to also display the page outline. So this displays all the sections on the page, and you can also add custom code. So this allows you to personalize the page using JavaScript and CSS. But if you don't have coding knowledge, that's totally fine as well. And then the next thing you need to do here is that you need to, the top bar of the page has the following features. So you have template button, you have enable, disable, you have all devices button for closing, savings and previewing, and button for publish and live view. So this is kind of cool. When it comes to a Pagefly pricing, it's really important to really see exactly what you have on the screen here. I want you to look on the screen. So Pagefly offers 3 pricing plans. You have the free, the pay as you go, and the enterprise, right? So when we talk about the free, it's normally it's a 0. So with the free, you have all app features. You have 24/7 live chat support, but you don't have video call support, unlimited tracking sessions, or you don't have speed optimization support. If you have the pay as you go, the pay as you go will actually charge you minimum $24 per month. That's charged monthly, and you have a powerful suite of like for serious store optimization. So basically here you have all app features. You have 24/7 live chat support. That's it. Okay, there is no video call support, unlimited tracking session, and so you have speed optimization support also. You don't have it for enterprise. Here, this will cost you as of the date of this show. Again, all the numbers I'm telling you here, there are as of the date of this show. You are having like $200 per month. And here for the enterprise, this is the ultimate package with exclusive services. So here you have unlimited slots. You have all app features, 24/7 live chat support. You have priority. You have video call support. You have unlimited tracking sessions and speed optimization support. So this is kind of cool. So what is the verdict here? So basically, when you think about the Pagefly, this is an excellent tool, that's for sure. It is one of the best website builders that we have seen. It is an easy drag and drop builder that provides users with layout elements and designs and customization options for every kind of a web page. Like, if you want to, you can use it to design landing pages, password pages, product pages, blog post pages, collection pages, and more. Furthermore, this app shows a lot of customer support by actually offering users a full guide to building their dropshipping store through video tutorials, blog articles, webinars, a customer support team 24/7, and many more. So this is kind of cool. So we love that this a lot. We love the flexibility here. And one thing I want to say here is that overall, when you think about Pagefly, we love the fact that a lot of customers seem to love it online. And this sort of confirms what we have experienced ourselves, what our own business clients have also experienced while using Pagefly. So overall, this is a great tool that really needs to be developed more. And one thing I want to say here is that you need to really understand that Pagefly is constantly adding new improvements. It's constantly adding new capabilities. So this is really, really interesting from a product perspective, and also in terms of a user experience perspective. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just quickly talking to you about Pagefly review, and I gave you the overview, the features, the process, the cost, and the verdict. Now I'm talking about the recap. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.